together again. My tears have stopped falling. The long, lonely nights are now at an end. The key to my heart you hold in your hand, but nothing else matters, 'cause we're together again. Together again. The gray skies are gone. You're back in my arms, right where you belong. The love that we knew is leaving again, and nothing else matters, 'cause we're together again. Together again. My tears have stopped falling. The long, lonely nights are now at an end. The love that we is leaving again, and nothing else matters. No, we're together again. No, nothing else matters. No, we're together again. Thank you so much, Ate Ami. Welcome po sa ating Van Bautista aka Chino Romero 3 Decades Mini Concert. Sa ating Parto Daniel Ken Sami Weng. Mayroon po tayong 5,000 views sa aking page, 823 thumbs and hearts, 279 shares. At meron pong nagsend ng stars, of course, the one and only Manang Florentina Chalar, Sipin of Virginia, USA. Maraming salamat, Manang Flor. Okay, shout out na po tayo mga kaibigan. Jorasi Miriani Lelis Martins, Brescia Lapos Toraja, Mila Segundo Buena Fe, Leoncia Tangkawan Aranques, Caridad Jela Gallega, Nazrawit Mulugeta, Shina Shawag, Lita Ongria, Violeta Luatimo, Estere Corole. Ang hirap naman i-pronounce sa mga apelido nila. Asang galing mga to? May tiga Malaysia, Lisa Vitasolo, Erlinda Antipolo, Tonet Torrente. Sabi niya, wow, parang ayaw ko nang matulog, idol. Bakit ayaw mo matulog, Tonet? Ayan ha, magpupuyat ka na naman sa panonood ng aking mga videos ha. Lagot ka ikaw. Adalina C. Haba, Juana Rios, Elin Planas, Eden Valdez Sarmiento. Sabi niya dito, ang galing mo talaga, Idol Ven. Keep up the amazing work. Thank you po sa great voice and beautiful song. My favorite Ilocano song, Love You Ading Idol. Oy, thank you, manang. Narcy Bautista. Yan. Thank you so much, my Idol Ben Bautista. I'm happy to listen to your songs. Wow. Zenaida Tamparong. Virgie Antipuesto. Wow, that's awesome. Love it, Idol ko. Wow. Yan ang magaling kumanta siya. At the Virgie. Cora Mira Bueno. Gina Linawan. Yan. I love the song plus a wonderful voice of my idol. God bless you, Idol. Abba, thank you. Julie Tagyam, very nice. Vicky Di Kanyadilia, good morning, Idol. Good morning din po. Princess Rose. Cecil Dulman, thank you po. Florentina HRR Sipin, thank you for not forgetting to greet my family as well as your family. I really appreciate your thoughtfulness. Kaya mayroon akong 100 stars. Wow, thank you, manang Flor. Delia Bolos, Jesmil Songs Decades. Naku po, walang songs na Hong Kong Park. A perfect song na lang, duet with Keanu Ven and you. Thanks. Lilia Huntilia, thank you for sharing your beautiful voice. Okay. Thank you sa mini concert ko on the radio DWRS, and thank you sa idol ko sa programa mo. Take care always and God bless you. From Jesmil Songs Decades. Fe Brillantes Villacorta, I like my song. Okay. Elizabeth, may sakit daw si Elizabeth. Pag-pray po natin sa Elizabeth ha, mga kaibigan. May sakit daw si Elizabeth Bataga. Nancy Menor, awesome, God bless, Idol. Ricardo Caballero. O, yung aking kapartner sa Smule. Ang sipag mag-comment ang aking idol na ito, si Ricardo Caballero. Ipalo niyo po siya, mga kaibigan ha. Mila Patalin, Meli Arellano, Leonida Di Maranan, Danny Kansamiweng, my favorite person, lalot si Idol ang kumanta. Very, very nice. Ba, parang naniniwala na ako sa inyo ah. Merlinda Ramos, pang-relax Idol, beautiful song. Christina Enrijo Javier, what a beautiful and lovely opening song. Sabong ka, Tipuso kay Hibiscus of Hawaii from Florentina. HLR Sipin. Yolanda Castro, thank you very much, Idol. Ben Bautista, I really enjoyed watching your good performances in your mini concert part 2. God bless you always. Emily Santiago, Idol. Ben Bautista, kay Chino Romero, thank you so much. Thank you din po. Okay, ang sarap magbasa ng mga comments, lalo na pag maganda ang comment. Fernando General, the best Idol, Ben Bautista. Yan. Maridel Ilar Socias, sending love. Okay. Sino pa man nandito? Okay, Doris Rabaya Kagnaan, Marcelo Castro. Ngayon ko lang narinig, todo ang narinig ko. Ngayon lang narinig ni Sir Marcelo Castro. Agdani man ni Sir Wilma Malilin, CJ Wapo, Erlinda Lapa Piala, Florence Pongol, Cecil Dolman, Mercy Singson, Teresita Coquilla Remerata, Mable Bogtong, nagpintas na daan yung Idol, makaikat stress, God bless. Oy, Adela Nakilia, Tess Cabodok Baptista, Sonia Valle, Mer Stepan, at wala na pong iba. At natapos na rin ang ating background. Tuloy-tuloy po tayo mga kaibigan, at sana wag niyo akong iiwanan.
Manipud ay nakita ka, patpat kek awayana, saanen ang makain na pusok ang gumagawawan. Ayaw mong daytoy na, daytoy na ken kararuwa si kalaeng ti awawagan na karayo di agpatingga naslag ang mutya ti haway ingkat kuma isaranay ayat mo nadarisay tapat patken kalaunay awan kaman dito'y din na lagip mo din tumasaba dito'y puso nga ibinggas ka agbiaga gapulaken ka indengam kadararaw ko yet nagmo asiken dungo sikati puon to'y biyag ko liw-liwa anaput no naslaga mutya ti haway ingkat nga isaranay ayat mo nadarisay tapat patken kalaunay naslagam mutya ti haway ingkat kuma isaranay ayat mo nadarisay tapat patken kalaunay ayat mo nadarisay tapat patken kalaunay.
At narito na po ang ating daniw or tula. Galing po sa kaibigan natin si Ed. Sabi niya dito, naimbag nga oras ni Rose, kantaem man tay ladawan. Pakidaniw da ito'y manong, text mate. Aba, the title ti daniw na ka-text mate. Tay barbareng no sa nga dati kanta da ito'y lyrics ti kanta. Kadita tayo ito di idemanda. Di ba, Ed? Ang malang natin lyrics si kanta dito gayim ko. Okay, basae ka? Dear textmate, nalipatan na ka din? Wano adda ka din sa bali ngayon kakatetex. Message mo, jakidan mabasa. Pati cellphone ko kat awan mo 10 ti-text mo. Hello textmate, kumusta kay Tan? Naibusin tilod ko kata-text kan ka. Pati allowance ko kat naibus pa yan. Tatulod ko kat awan pa yan. Sikapay. Anya ka di textmate, tinakabasulag. Tadi kami nag-text kanya. Hanabalik ko manong. Agparik na ka kanya ta. Ako ka. Tamamuak met, ikasasad mo itan. Text mo kanya. Mang palag-antirik na. Tawag ko kan kain ka katsumbatan. Iliw ka di kay papanan na. Wano ayat ka di marikrik na kan ka. Dayjay, idaniw. Ni gayem tayo nga Ed. Aywan, at pala yung gayam natin. Gayem ko nga musical arranger na si Erickson Gubak Paulo. Gat walason gayem ko natin ang kanta ti Textmate. Hello Textmate. Nagpalaing ka ta, ti aramidem pa nga minuswang ko, okay? To Michelle and Erickson Gubak Paulo dyan sa Bigan. Get well soon. Alagaan mo yan Michelle Marami na tayong kailangang gawing -1 ni Erickson. Okay. Greetings to my sisters Lilia et Gerarden Sico, Estela Echanes and Dolores Sanidad. To my brother-in-law, Josepino Echanes and sister-in-law Soledad Echalar. To all my nieces and nephews, especially to Richard Tengsico, Nali Tengsico, Antoinette Tengsico. Greetings to your wife, Ross Michaela and Keanu Ben. Hoy, binabati ng aking kapatid na si Julie Guerra, sila Beth, Eileen, Beng, Dolly, Tita Helen, Banji, Olive, Belen, Rona, Josie, Sonia, Norma, Fe, Warley at ang organista nila na si Mark Francisco. Diyan po sa Our Lady of Guadalupe Parish Church, Camarin, Palmeres Springs. Nakalimutan niya daw si Zenny B at Zenny Q, member din ng choir. Baka magselos sila. Ayan! Okay. Binabati ko din si lahat ng aking mga video sharers na walang sawang nag-share ng aking mga video. I really appreciate it. Alam nyo na kung sino kayo, yung mga admin ko sa group. Salamat salamat at hindi nyo pa ako pinababayaan. Thank you. I love you all, yung mga silent followers natin. Kumusta naman yung mga may sakit? Magpagaling po kayo, okay? Sige nga, basahin nga natin yung mga greetings sa YouTube channel natin na mayroon 166 views 2 days ago. Piman. Aw mo tagbuya dya YouTube. Yolanda Hara, enjoyable mini concert part 2 of Idol Ben Bautista. I really enjoyed watching. Keep up and God bless you. Maria Rosa Ramilio, wow, ang sarap pakinggan ng Ilocano song. Oy, maraming salamat sa inyo mga followers ko dyan sa YouTube channel ko. Maria Rosa Ramilio, very nice voice and amazing. Si puro Maria Rosa Ramilio, the best singers daw. Ay, kahit papano, may nag-comment na 2. Yung mga dating nagko-comment, nawala na sila. Nagsawa rin. Alam ko naman magsasawa mga yan Diba? Sabi nila, hindi ako magsasawa habang buhay. Yan. Kapag mayroon akong nasabing hindi maganda at di nila nagustuhan, ayan, mawawala silang bigla na parang bula. Yolanda Hara, love, peace. Oy, please sing me your song again, Daddy, by Jose Marichan. Peace. Alright. Narito na po ang napili kong awitin para sa Daniel or Tula ng ating kaibigan si Ed. Mas maganda ito kaysa doon sa request mong ladawan. Mas bagay ito. Okay? I would like to thank Manang Florentina Chalar Siping for the English version of this song. My dear chatmate, your status is active. Are you awake or you're about to sleep? I have been waiting for you to go online. Am I disturbing you or is this the perfect time?
My dear John Maid, I saw you read my message. Seen I saw it says at the bottom of my note, send me a selfie or a sticker I will take. I miss our nonsense chat. Can you reply me back? Oh, why is it that we have different times? My body was just when I am asleep, you are awake. Or sometimes the connection's weak, it's too short when we chat. I don't think it's enough. It's like a flash of light that had passed. My dear John Maid, at first I'm ignoring it. Your friend requests that I almost delete, but I don't know, as if there was magic. Friendship for both of us, I hope that it will last. My dear John Maid, you are so different. Feeling of sadness and tiredness I forget. Your secrets now are also my secrets. That is how close we are, even we haven't met so far. Oh, why is it that we have different times? My body was just when I am asleep, you are awake. Or sometimes the connection's weak, it's too short when we chat. I don't think it's enough. It's like a flash of light that had passed. My dear John Maid, thank you so much for the trust. Whatever our secrets are, it's just between the two of us. In case you need someone to get pieces of advice, I am always here, as long as I am fully charged. Oh, why is it that we have different times? My body was just when I am asleep, you are awake. Or sometimes the connection's weak, it's too short when we chat. I don't think it's enough. It's like a flash of light that